Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Shopify to Shopify Plus. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first, I'm going to show you two methods on how you can upgrade to Shopify Plus. So the first method is just go to Shopify main website. And once you're here, you can just scroll down to the very bottom until you find Help Center. Just click on this. And then you want to go ahead and search for Shopify Plus. And once you're here, just click the first link that says Shopify Plus. And then here, there will be a link that says contact us, and it will take you to the Shopify Plus website. Like this. And then you're just gonna enter your full name, your business email, your business phone, company, website URL, and your country, and etc. So you're gonna submit the form and wait for the Shopify team to notify you. So the second method is also pretty simple. So first, go ahead and search for Shopify Plus. And here at the first link, you can see Shopify Plus solution. So click on this and it will take you to the same website. But of course, you can see their front page like this, so you can read all of this if you want to get the idea of what is Shopify Plus. And in order to upgrade your plan, just go ahead and contact the sales right here, or at the top right corner, it says the same thing. So just click on that, and then it will take you to this same page that you're gonna put your full name and your details right here. And once you've done all that, you just wait for the Shopify team to notify you. So I hope this one helps. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.